Okay, for my YouTube viewers who are going to be watching this, some of you know that I already had a drone. Well, I call it a drone. The guy at the DJI store said it was a toy. So anyway, I brought my drone to Thailand. It's pretty windy here where we're at, so I haven't tried to fly it outside yet. However, anything in Thailand that has a camera on it is required to be registered with the FAA, I guess. But anyway, I haven't flown it yet. Brought it into the country. You're supposed to declare it when you come in, and they're supposed to take something like the serial number off of it or something. So I asked the guy at DJI about it, if I should register it, and he said no. He said they'd just laugh at me because it was a toy. It does shoot, I think it's 720 for video, which looks pretty good, you know, from the videos that I shot. So anyway, I'm graduated up from my little Tello here to my new drone that I'm going to do the unboxing on today. Let's set this aside. And I have upgraded to the Mavic Air 2. This one requires registration. It requires a pilot's license. And I've already started that paperwork for all that, but we're going to do the unboxing for this. I got this, picked this up yesterday. This is the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. So it comes with this little case, which this is really nice. Tells me what all it comes with. Let me get my magnifier. Okay, so it comes with a travel bag, which is this. We'll open this up, and right off the bat, we'll take out the drone, put it there, the controller, the combo pack comes with 2 extra batteries, extra antennas or rotors, blades for the chopper. So this is a multi-charge port, so I can charge all 3 of my batteries at the same time. an extra battery there. Second battery. The drone, I have to get it registered. I have to get a pilot's license to fly it here in Thailand, and insurance for it. You can't fly a drone without insurance, so altogether it was about $1,300 for the combo, the drone. I also got two 128 extreme gigabyte micro SD card for 4K Ultra HD action. So yeah, I got two of these with it, and it cost me, I think it was about 38,000 baht, which if you do the numbers on that, 38,000, the conversion for 38,000 baht is about $1,220 USD, and that I got at the Tukum Mall at the DJI store there. So all in all, I don't think that was a bad price at all. Comes with 1 year of insurance, 1 year of pilot's license, and a year registration. So I think after that you have to re-register it. So we'll have to see how much that costs. But yeah, there it is. So when I get my pilot license in about 2 months, then I should be doing some new drone videos. I'm all excited. Alright, well, that about does it for the unpacking. Hope to see you on the next video. Later.